Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how you can change your hotspot password on iPhone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So to change your hotspot password, here you can see the setting option. Just tap on setting. When you move on setting, from here you can see the option of the personal hotspot. Okay, so here you can tap on personal hotspot. When you click on personal hotspot, here is the Wi-Fi password. This is not only the Wi-Fi password but also the hotspot password. And after that, from here you can change. Okay, and you can change from here by just tapping on the back button and here click on mobile data. Then from here you can see the personal hotspot. After that, from here you can change your Wi-Fi password. Okay, this is your hotspot Wi-Fi password. You can change from here. Okay, suppose here I want to change the password, then like this, then you can change it. Then after that, click on done, and here your Wi-Fi password or hotspot password will be changed easily and successfully. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.